Getting a good night's sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental well-being. When we sleep, our bodies repair and rejuvenate themselves, which helps to improve our immune system, cognitive function, and overall mood. However, many people struggle to fall asleep at night, which can lead to insomnia, fatigue, and other negative health effects. In this video, we will discuss tips to help you fall asleep at night. We will cover establishing a sleep routine, creating a sleep-conducive environment, managing stress and anxiety, the role of diet and exercise in sleep, and other strategies to improve your sleep quality. By implementing some of these tips, you can improve your chances of getting a good night's rest and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Having a consistent bedtime and wake-up time is crucial for regulating your body's circadian rhythm, which is the internal clock that controls your sleep-wake cycle. By going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, your body will naturally become tired at bedtime and wake up in the morning, which will make it easier for you to fall asleep and wake up. Creating a bedtime routine can also help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. One way to do this is by winding down before bedtime with activities that relax your mind and body. This can include reading a book, taking a warm bath, listening to calming music, or practicing deep breathing or meditation. Other helpful routines include turning off screens at least an hour before bed, writing in a journal, or doing light stretching. By engaging in these activities before bed, you signal to your body that it is time to relax and prepare for sleep. Room temperature, light, and noise all play important roles in creating an environment that is conducive to sleep. A cool room temperature, between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, can help your body regulate its temperature and fall asleep more easily. Darkness is also important as it triggers the release of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Exposure to light can suppress melatonin production and make it more difficult to fall asleep. Noise can also disrupt sleep, especially if it is loud or sudden. To create a comfortable and dark room, you can use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light, and a white noise machine to mask outside noise. You can also use earplugs to block out noise, or add a humidifier or a fan for a cool breeze. Additionally, it is a good idea to keep your room dark, cool, and quiet throughout the night, which can help you stay asleep. It's also a good idea to avoid screens, TV, phones, tablets, before bed as the blue light emitted by screens can suppress melatonin production and make it more difficult to fall asleep. Stress and anxiety can have a significant impact on sleep. When we are stressed or anxious, our bodies produce the hormone cortisol, which can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep. Additionally, racing thoughts and worries can make it difficult to relax and quiet the mind, which can also contribute to insomnia. To manage stress and anxiety, it is important to establish a bedtime routine that includes activities that promote relaxation. This can include practices such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or progressive muscle relaxation. Writing in a journal before bed can also be helpful as it allows you to process your thoughts and feelings and release them before going to sleep. Additionally, it's essential to have a regular exercise routine and maintain a healthy diet. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can improve your sleep quality. Engaging in stress-reducing activities such as reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature can also be helpful. Diet and exercise play a significant role in sleep quality. Eating a balanced diet that is rich in nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, can help to support overall health and promote better sleep. In addition, regular exercise can help to improve sleep by reducing stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and regulating the body's circadian rhythm. To maintain a healthy diet and improve sleep, it's important to eat regular meals, avoid heavy meals before bed, and limit caffeine and alcohol intake. It's also beneficial to eat foods that contain high levels of melatonin, such as tart cherries, tomatoes, almonds, and walnuts. For exercise, it's best to engage in regular physical activity throughout the day, and avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Light stretching, yoga, or a leisurely walk can be a good way to wind down before bed. It's also important to pay attention to how your body reacts to different types of food, alcohol or caffeine and adjust accordingly. Experimenting with different foods, exercises and times of the day can be helpful to find the most beneficial diet and exercise routine. A good night's sleep is essential for maintaining physical and mental well-being. In this video, we discussed tips to help you fall asleep at night, including establishing a sleep routine, creating a sleep-conducive environment, managing stress and anxiety, the role of diet and exercise in sleep, and other strategies to improve your sleep quality. By implementing some of these tips, you can improve your chances of getting a good night's rest and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. We encourage viewers to try some of the tips discussed in the video and see how they work for you. Remember that everyone's sleep needs are different, so it's important to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try different strategies and make adjustments as needed. We hope that this video has provided you with useful information and inspiration to help you improve your sleep quality.